When selecting a crypto wallet, it's essential to balance security and usability. Even the most secure wallet can become impractical if it's too cumbersome to use, limiting its functionality to long-term storage. Conversely, a wallet with seamless accessibility but weak security features can put your assets at significant risk. Finding the right equilibrium between these two aspects is crucial. A high-quality wallet is more than a storage tool. It's your gateway to managing digital assets, interacting with decentralized applications, and protecting your holdings from malicious actors. With the growing number of crypto networks and use cases, choosing the right wallet has never been more important. Whether you're an active trader navigating complex multi-chain ecosystems or a long-term investor safeguarding your portfolio, having the right wallet is vital. Below, we examine 5 leading crypto wallets: Coinbase, Binance, Curl, Bybit, and Exodus, each designed to meet the needs of different types of users. Explore their features to find the wallet that best suits your needs. Coinbase Wallet, seamless integration and intuitive design. Coinbase Wallet is a top choice for beginners, offering a sleek interface and seamless integration with the broader Coinbase ecosystem. As a non-custodial wallet, it provides users full control of their private keys while leveraging Coinbase's robust security protocols. The wallet supports a diverse range of assets and features functionalities like staking, NFTs, and access to decentralized applications, making it a versatile option. One of its standout qualities is its ease of use. Designed with accessibility in mind, it simplifies complex crypto tasks such as token swaps and cross-chain operations. Integration with Coinbase's exchange bridges custodial and non-custodial management, providing flexibility for users seeking both security and simplicity. For those prioritizing a balance of user-friendliness and security, Coinbase Wallet is a solid contender. Cotrel Wallet, redefining multi-chain management. Cotrel Wallet has quickly become a leader in multi-chain asset management, supporting over 2,300 blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cosmos. It allows users to consolidate their assets into one intuitive platform. Features like unified portfolio tracking and gas fee abstraction simplify the complexities of navigating multi-chain ecosystems, eliminating the need for multiple wallets. A key feature of Cotrel Wallet is its rapid onboarding process, which includes social login options and a setup time of just 15 seconds. This ease of access, paired with advanced tools for rediscovering forgotten tokens and optimizing on-chain transactions, makes Cotrel Wallet a must-have for active traders and DeFi enthusiasts. Its focus on enhancing functionality and user experience positions it as an indispensable tool for the multi-chain era. Binance Web3 Wallet, a comprehensive trading solution. Binance Web3 Wallet, integrated with the BNB chain, provides a feature-rich experience tailored to traders and investors. Supporting a vast array of cryptocurrencies, it enables seamless asset management while offering staking, lending, and decentralized application connectivity. As a multi-chain wallet, it's compatible with various EVM chains and Bitcoin. The wallet's security infrastructure leverages Binance's industry-leading practices, including multi-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelists. Integration with Binance DEX offers decentralized trading directly within the platform. Its combination of advanced trading tools and robust security makes Binance Web3 Wallet a great choice for users seeking a comprehensive solution tied to the Binance ecosystem. Bybit Wallet, tailored for active traders. Bybit Wallet is designed with active traders in mind, integrating seamlessly with the Bybit exchange. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers tools like one-click staking and flexible savings, enabling users to earn passive income while managing their portfolios. Additionally, the wallet facilitates interaction with DeFi platforms, providing access to decentralized lending and swapping protocols. Security is a top priority for Bybit Wallet, which employs industry-standard encryption and advanced risk management systems. Its integration with the Bybit exchange ensures smooth transitions between trading and wallet management. The keyless design, powered by MPC technology, simplifies setup for beginners, making it a great option for traders who value efficiency and security. Exodus Wallet, a versatile and secure choice. Exodus Wallet is a well-known non-custodial wallet praised for its sleek design and extensive cryptocurrency support. Available on both desktop and mobile platforms, Exodus offers flexibility in managing digital assets. Its user-friendly interface is ideal for newcomers, while features like a built-in exchange and staking appeal to experienced users.